Hey guys, as promised, I am going to be making another Happy Wheels video to continue this video right here. And of course, if you want more games, you can always comment for more. And you can always like and subscribe. Alright, so see, this is what we are going to be continuing today. And if you watched last video, let's just go to it. On special. I defeated level 3 as soon as the video ended. Remember numbers 7, 9, 5 for the next video. So we need to remember 7 and 9 and 5. Alright? So, alright. Let's get started. Hello? Right, so level 3. These 3 are all defeated, so level 4. Let's go. Move that out of the way. Crack my knuckles. I'm getting ready. Alright. 795. What's that say? Oh, sorry, Timmy. Get past. Ow. To get past this golden door, you need to have collected all numbers from level 1 through 3. 7, 9, 5. Select the numbers with your mouse. Okay, that's pretty simple. Level 4. No. That's not slow. What? Huh, strange. Really? Yes. Alright, let's continue. Tab R. Okay, so loading. 7 was up here. Right. Come on! There's 7. Let's go. Whoa! Alright, slow. Why? Why should I go slow? Alright, let's go. What? Ah! Go away, go away, go away! Timmy! Oh, hi, Timmy. Oh. Timmy? Oh. I'm still alive! And I'm still alive. Ah! I died. Huh? Oh, loser. And I kind of feel bad for this guy. He lost his son and his dad. I mean, himself. Let's go. What would happen if I clicked the wrong numbers? Maybe we'll figure that out next time we die. Because I'm sure we will die again. My face, though. Crap. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Alright, I don't think you guys heard that. I don't think you guys can hear any of the noises from the computer. But, the boy let out a very scary scream once again. So I'm kind of frightened right now. Alright, here we go. For real this time. Wait, what if we don't pick them in the correct order? Oh, it still works. That backflip though. Alright. Time to drop the sun. Or not. Go, 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 go. I ain't dying today. No! No, 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 no. Wait, what was that? Is that a sword? Was I supposed to pick that sword up? Find something. How am I supposed to click it? It's too small. Oh yeah, I am a pro. Get out of my way. Is this like a lobster? Am I supposed to defeat that final level? No, it's not a lobster, it's a scorpion. No, 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 no! Oh, I broke it. I help. I fix you. Now I ride over you. Ah! Ah! Alright, let's go. No. I hurted you. Whoa! Not so fast, you. Rock! Oh. I'm not done with you yet, boy. Oh man. I can't. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I think one more hit, guys. One more. Alright, here we go. Go, go. Never! I did it! I defeated him. Now let's keep going. Go, go, go. No. Darn it! I was so close, guys. So close. That was the monster. Alright, we're going back. Ooh. Ugh. No, no, no. Stop. Oh. Really? Alright, guys, we're back. Here we go. Whoa. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's drop Timmy. Timmy, you gotta get off. Go away, Timmy. Go away, Timmy. No, Timmy, no! Timmy, I said bad boy. Actually, I never said that, but... That's what you get, Timmy. You shouldn't let me go. Well, forget about Timmy. Stupid Timmy. Oh, I lost an arm. That. Okay, let's continue. Got him. Never. Ah! No. Wait, yes, take him away. Let's go. Take Timmy away. Ah! What? How did this happen? How did this happen? Alright? Like, wait, can I still move my arms? Of course not. Ah. Ah. Ah, my arm! Die. Turd. Take Timmy away. Better not throw that rock at me. It's gonna hit my head. This would be much easier. Or maybe not. Did you guys see that stoppy? I mean, that was hot. Get out of the way, you turd. Ah. Alright, well. Alright. Nice and slow. We're gonna try to get rid of Timmy. Nice. My bike looks so empty now. Come on! Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh. Alright. I have 2 minutes. Well, kind of. Okay. Almost there. I don't even understand how I died on that last one. I was so close. Alright, come on. Yes! Alright. Guys, we did it. We did it. That was nice. Alright. So, okay. Nice. Then this is where I'm going to conclude it. So, thank you for watching. If you want more Happy Wheels and stuff like that, of course, always subscribe and like. Comment down below if you want more Happy Wheels and if you want me to play more games and pointers. And yes, thank you. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.